Welcome to the first ever episode of What Can I Make With What I Have in My Refrigerator. I'm your host. We do have a live audience today, okay? Woo! Live audience! First step is to check the refrigerator, see what's going on in here. I got a salad kit. Avocado ranch. This is good until the 28th. It is 28. I've got a half-open package of ricotta ravioli. Lemon ricotta, all right. We do have some, yes, the live audience is getting rowdy. We do have some beef that is good until tomorrow, so I think that's the lucky winner. I think we're gonna make some chili because it is 6:20 and I'm tired. See that? Cleaned the stove last night. Is this good? We've got two others joining the live audience. Our live audience member is a little bit hungry, so we gotta get some milk really quick. One of our guests is a little bit hungry. Could you heat up some milk?
Of course.
Carl really loves his dad shirts that I got him for our anniversary. I'm gonna add my tomato sauce. Kennedy, you do not need a salad mix. Can I please have that salad kit back? Oh, thanks. Water. Oh, Kennedy's got a hat on. Okay. Adding in my packet of chili mix, but then I'm also gonna add in some more seasonings because this isn't enough. Realistically, I probably should use 2 of these, but I like to add some of my own seasonings. Say, uh-oh! Okay, garlic powder. Pepper.
On the left.
What?
There's no milk on the right.
Hold on. I'm doing my cooking show. What do you need?
What milk should I use?
Oh, for greasing. And stir. Oh, this would be good on nachos. Rinsed beans. We're gonna let that simmer until I think it looks good. I went out in my garden and harvested some rice. Gonna pop that in the microwave just to reheat it. You know what I mean? Just to reheat it. Some of that rice, fresh from the garden. It's nice that once I harvest them, I just pop it in these little bags and put it in the freezer. That way I have fresh rice whenever I need it. I think I'm gonna make this into nachos for Carl, but I don't really want nachos. I kind of just want it the way I normally have it. A little bit of cheese, sour cream. I'm down to my last jar of banana peppers, so remind me when I go grocery shopping that I need these. Don't get it twisted. These are not the same as pepperoncinis. They're different. Do you think there's soccer on for the Olympics right now, hon? There's not? So? A little soccer. Midnight game? I could be about it.